Perfect. About ladies and gentlemen, the FLB Standard Time, we get 4 minutes before 9 o'clock. Sir Bacolod for Music and Information and the winner of the 2010 KBP Night of Golden Awards sa People's Choice. Ito pa rin po ang hindi lang ng taong bayan, ang himpilang ibang natayang himpilang 95.9 Star FM. That was Simple Plan. And the song, Perfect. Perfect. Perfect yung gabi natin dahil nandyan po kayo mga sarkadas natin na talaga namang alam ko na patuloy lamang yung pag-suporta ninyo sa lahat ng programa ng Star FM. Kaya naman yung evening ko ay perfect na perfect po ngayon. Alright. Sabi ladies and gentlemen, sa lahat ng sarkadas natin dyan, ayan, it's time for me to say goodbye for now. Thank you so much for being with me for the past 3 hours of my show, The Friends Alive. Every Wednesday po yan. And of course, abanganin po natin si paring Harry Brown every Friday. Friends Alive din po yan, alas 6 hanggang alas 9 ng gabi. And of course, kita-kits tayo bukas sa ating Morning Stars. Huwag alas 6 hanggang alas 9 pa rin, 6 to 9. My favorite number. 6 to 9 in the morning, ladies and gentlemen. Sa ating panggigising na programa. And of course, yan susunod na. It's all for you in the evening with more music and less talk. Mula po yun alas 11 hanggang, or alas 9 hanggang alas 11 ng gabi dito po lamang sa MP ng ibang dating. And of course, bago tuloy magpaalam, mga sarkadas natin, I would like to say hi and happy start tuning in. Especially the beautiful ladies of Musha, and of course, sa lahat ng Sigumali and family, dyan sa may Mandalagan, Purok Santol Mandalagan, maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. Kay Mamilang Sigumalian, Daddy Joe Mano, Joe James, Garrett, and Juglen. Diyan sa may Purok Santol Mandalagan. And of course, sa lahat ng kay Tita Annie Kid ko, Charlie Kid ko, maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. Hi Star FM, good evening. Greet ko lang best friend ko nga si Joyce, me, kag si Lenny. Request ako dahil ng I Wanna Grow Old With You by Westlife. Thank you so much, subscriber from Catherine. Okay, thank you so much. And of course, hi DJ, good evening. Greet ko lang family Aflabiano Kawas, and also my Raymel, good evening, Mel. Greetings from Gigi. About Gigi, okay, request ako dahil na yung blue ng kong balaan mo lang tani. Sige, try lang natin mamaya ha. And of course, ladies and gentlemen, still, dear handsome daddy, my name is Alan Blue. Here's our last song, requested track over 29765 from Westlife. I Wanna Grow Old With You on Star FM's Ibang Natayang Night, Metro Bacolod. Wow.